Welcome to this section on proximity control. Now this is additional to cruise control, so to check if your vehicle does have it, if you look at the primary display, the bottom left hand corner you should see a greyed out truck which is by the side of the cruise control icon. To switch it on, you press the set button on the cruise control, and don't forget this works from 0 to 90 kph. Once the button's pressed, you immediately see that the icon on the bottom left hand corner of the truck becomes light blue, and the vehicle in front is highlighted with the distance and also the speed that it's going. I can then press the gear button. This allows me to either decrease or increase the distance between me and the vehicle in front. Now what we're going to do is get this vehicle in front of me to stop. As it's doing now, you can see the truck is actually stopping itself. No problem whatsoever. Now if the vehicle stops for less than 2 seconds, the truck will accelerate just as normal. If it's more than 2 seconds, then I either press the resume button or lightly touch the accelerator and proximity control will take over again. If fitted, proximity control is always available with cruise control. However, it can be switched off via the secondary menu. It's important to remember with proximity control, it shouldn't be used in slippery or icy or snow conditions, because ultimately the driver is responsible for the truck and the safety of the people around it.